everybody. I am M. Mercy Amuda, English teacher from Trinity Academy in Namakkal. Today we are going to study about the first prose in 8th standard English. Let us see what is that. How do you spend your free time? Everybody have different activity to do the leisure time or free time. Let us see, you might have been know some of them. Here I listed some: singing, painting, gardening, baking, reading, dancing and playing. And more about that, we can collect stamps, coin, cooking. We have different ideas. Nowadays they are writing in blog and YouTube channel. So many different hobbies are there. Let us study about the first prose, the topic hobby, how it turns a successful career. Career means a job or profession. Your leisure time activity, how it change as your profession or your job. The first section we are going to read about the money story. Let us see what is that. Once there was a boy named Money. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. See, now he not only enjoyed the storybooks, he has started to write small stories what he knew. Then once he has written a small essay that we are going to read on this section 1. Let us see what is it. Hobbies are the activity that we do in our spare time. Hobbies are unique to people. Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby, while others' hobbies are swimming, stamp collection, playing video games and many more. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time but also to do something useful. Hobbies help people learn new things, relax after a tiring day and to energize the body and mind. Same is the case with me. I love writing, so it's my hobby. Here I denotes the person Money. See, once he started writing in his free time and it's very unique. Everybody does not like the same hobby. Everybody have different idea, their interest. So everybody choose different one. Here some like maybe gardening and maybe some of them photography and some of them reading books, singing, dancing, so many things. But this boy is very different. How means everybody may not like to write new things. Money's hobby is writing stories or his own experience. But everyone may not like the writing because we used to do this in our free time. But everybody cannot, when you are very tired, you cannot come and sit and write so many things. It's very different because the grandfather motivated him to read and write. This made the boy to write his experience. People who have hobbies not only to pass their free time but also to do something useful in their free time. It makes the people to help learn new things and relax their mind. And some in case we love to write but not in the hobby. Everybody cannot follow the hobby as writing, but this boy is different, little bit different from others. So he want to energize his mind. He observed so many new things around him and he made this. His experience as painting brush in the paper or wall, his experience he made in the writing. Third paragraph, writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. See, Exhaust means tire out. When you get tired, you may not come and write things. Many feel that writing is tough. Yes, of course, I too feel writing is tough. But I do not think so. Here, once again I repeat, I means money. See, money feels that it's not difficult to him. I feel writing is like painting your voice. See, money feels, how he feels to write is as painting in the paper or wall. I write stories, poems and sometimes about my feelings. Money writes sometimes stories, different stories and poems and sometimes about the other's feelings and his feelings too. So, money relaxation when he writes. When I pour my thoughts as words, see, he poured his thoughts as in the words in a form of writing. So, writing energizes me. Here me is money. I and me refers here money. Next paragraph. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with magic and magicians. See, usually when he used to write, his imagination works very best level because he feels like him as a magician. Do you know what is mean by magician? Magician means, you know already, you might have seen the picture. He can do the activity in the astonished way. Where I can fly and birds can talk. See, money went a new world where he can fly without wings. And the birds, usually birds may not talk, but here money feels birds are talking to him and telling something new. Writing helps me completely immerse into that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. The happiness of their faces makes me to write more and better. See, when he writes like this, and after that he would share with the friends, the neighbor children, and he called them and make them to listen his own words. So it makes a happiness to him. See, and if they are enjoying, he also feels happy. Next paragraph. Although writing is just a hobby for me. See, he feels that just it is hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. See, he took writing as a hobby and it's very beneficial. How it's beneficial? Here, because of the writing, he developed his vocabulary, his imagination, he relaxed his mind also. So, it opens his mind to think beyond the little things. That means, see, not in the ordinary way, in the different way. If bird speaks, or else if the blackboard speaks to you, what it speaks, or else your textbook speaks, how it feels, how you are handling. So, although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes me more passionate about my life. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. See, I said writing it's little difficult as follow your hobby, and money also tells like this only, and he said that it's very beneficial. It gives him lot of uses. It develops his vocabulary and his imagination. So, it opens his mind to think beyond the little things and makes his mind to the broader in way. It makes him more heartfelt about his life. So, it makes him learn new things and enjoys his life in every moment. Next paragraph. My hobby helped me in a school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. With time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas, and this made me a good writer. See, here my hobby helped me in school too, which means Mani's hobby writing is helped not only his free time in school activity too. How means he started writing things in different way. It was he can describe what he feels accurately, correctly. Accurately means exactly what it is, the exact way. With time, his experience helped to think new ideas, and this makes him as a good writer. Now next one. Now I look out for things which I was not able to see before. Hence, I can describe things better in my stories. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories, as it is my hobby. To become a better writer, I spend time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. Fiction is imaginative writing and non-fiction is not imaginative. See, it's important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Who knows, one day I could be writer like R.K. Narayan. See, now he want to look the new things around his surroundings and which was not able to see before others in the different way. For example, you are seeing every day, when you come to school, you are seeing blackboard, fan, table, duster, so many things around us. But you feel as a object, but money feels as a human, and if they are converse with money, how? So he feels like that, and then he started writing in a new different way. It makes him more imaginative and better writing forms. See, he can use or he can describe the things a very imaginative way, and he don't have any problem to write the things or essays in English or in classroom activity or in stories, as it is because it's hobby for money. So he can become a better writer, and he spend his lesser time with a valuable way. It's always very important to learn new things for your free time. See, who knows, one day Mani will be also as a famous writer like R.K. Narayanan. Do you know R.K. Narayanan belongs to Tamil Nadu, and one more interesting thing is, he born on Rasipuram. Now let us see what you understand from this topic. We will find out with a small 1 marks. Say true or false. Mani imagined a world with option A, music and musicians, option B, buildings and sculptures, option C, magic and magicians. See, yes, you are right, option C, magic and magicians. Second one, when Mani started writing things, he was unable to dash. Option A, describe them accurately. B, describe them fluently. C, describe them imaginatively. Yes, you are right, option A, describe them accurately. Third one, Mani feels writing is like dash. Option A, painting the voice. Option B, engraving the voice. Option C, designing the voice. Yes, you are right, option A, painting the voice. I hope you understood the section 1. We will meet the next section in the next class. Thank you, children.